What the hell, Coco? What are you doing? What is that? Get your life together. I'll be right back. I forgot my bus card. Oh my god. Look at how I'm dressed. It's probably so cold outside. Oh my god. This is my new character. Oh my god. Like, it's so ridiculous. Like, I'm actually gonna wear my Ugg boots. Like, what? I just feel like a fat person when I wear all this stuff together. Oh my god. I didn't think I could put it on. I'm literally struggling. Come on. Get on the foot. There you go. These are real tight. Oh my god. So hard, man. I just don't know how people put on Uggs every day. Okay, goodbye. I'm going out. Guys, I was over here. I was in the booth thing, and like I felt wind. There's no window here, and I was really confused, like why there was still wind. And then my mom came in, and she was like, "Nia, there's no window." I was like, "Oh, okay." I'm gonna be really sad if this vegan bar does not taste good. These are good. Chia bars, vegan. They have chia seeds all in them. This is chocolate peanut butter. And it actually tastes like chocolate with peanut butter. But obviously there's no chocolate. Very nice. People told me that soy milk is nasty. I just tried some Silk White original soy milk. Do you know how good this is? This is so good. I can actually eat my cereal with this and it won't taste weird, because I tried cereal with almond milk, with almond vanilla milk, and like it wasn't, no, it was just, it went downhill. Like I was like, this does not taste good together. I'm trying to move myself away from animal products, so I think soy milk is a great start. It literally reminds me of almond milk, but like a little bit better. So yeah, I like it. And look, I got strawberry in my tooth. I wonder if you guys could see that the whole time, or that just magically appeared.
Man, why you always gotta do this, man? Why you always gotta be like that, man? Please, man, stop, man. No pictures.
Now you're gonna change your accent like that. Oh, I guess we're starting.
Honest. Still not understanding this logic, baby. Yep.
Sometimes it gets ratchet. Just a little bit. Oh, wow. Look at your sauce. What are you doing? So today we just did some JV practices, and we had our midterms today. So I literally failed my AP Lang midterm, so that's cool. Probably not gonna get my college credits. That's cool. Great, great. Love life. How about you start vlogging?
Oh yeah. Ew, look at it's Fernandish.
What? I don't want to be here. I feel like
and nobody cares what you feel like. We all feel the same. Nobody wants to take a midterm.
Do you feel like a little
sometimes
crack?
Oh my god, it's Mr. Bowers. Oh my god, it's Fernando. It's Mr. Bowers.
Eduardo's scared to knock on the door for her teacher. Just do it.
He's not there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I swear to God, doesn't that look like his foot's right there?
That's not his foot. His desk is back there.
I'm sorry. So my name is Chicken Wing, but they call me Edwin. And and I'm cold-blooded like a fish. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that. Is your name Chicken Wing? But they call you what?
Edwin.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I'm done. Oh shoot. It's Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
Okay. Done.
To yesterday. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.
You were out too. I don't know.
I don't know the rest. Woo! Yes. Get it. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Wait, it's coming, it's coming. To yesterday. I love this song.
Excuse me, this is her new stick. Oh, it's her new dick.
Yes, yes, yes. What is wrong with you? Yes, 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 yes.
But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would wait forever.
Hello guys, it's me. Do you hear the knock?
No, 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 no.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. We have to catch the bus. We better hurry. Better hurry.
Hey, school. I love school. Happy song, happy Friday.
Happy Sunday.
No, happy song. Happy Friday.
Oh, so
You're wrong. Get out.
I thought you said so.
Right now. Don't
yeah.
run this teacher over. Just kidding. Run her over. Just kidding. That's the guy.
No, that's a girl. That's a girl. It's a student.
Oh, never mind.
Guys, Miss Sussman stays like staying out.
So today I'm gonna teach you how.
No, just tell me who's absent.
Oh, you wanna know Jill Subsky, Dave Hawley, Brian Morrissey, Rachel Gelling, Wig Fall, Driscoll. Today I'm gonna teach you how the
Oh my god, she's gonna write bruh.
bruh. 2 points. 1 plus 3. You guys listen to Beyonce.
Yeah, I know, Nicole.
1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1
Equals Pablo.
equals gay couple.
Yo, Nia, what do you call 5 Mexicans in a swimming pool?
I don't know.
Cinco.
Why are you cheating on me? Why do you have cum stains on your shoulders?
That is a coffee.
Oh. Why are you cheating on me with No. Freak out of here. Stop it.
Oh my god, I want to go to forensics and play with that little toy again.
Oh my god, that's a fun time. Stop.
Let me take over the camera.
No.
Chico. 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 Okay, you think I'm finished?
Yeah. You guys can't see me, but we're about to watch Criminal Minds. I love this class so much. When we watch Criminal Minds, it's so good. Love it. Watch the show. Go ahead, Nathan. It's my mom! I got my Mac Crunch granola bars from Amazon. Yes. Yes, I can't even take it out of the box. Yes.
What's up, guys? So Nia's coming over. We're gonna do a you now and film some videos, and she wants me to walk halfway.
Honestly, what the heck is this? Like, there's snow blowing in my face. Like, I don't like this. Ugh! I don't know. Why am I going to Nicolle? Should just stayed home.
She has so much stuff apparently, and it's snowing. Look.
I really should have just stayed home. This hoe better be walking, or else I'm gonna slice her neck.
Wow. This blizzard of 2016 is crazy. Oh my god, I got some mail. Cute. I should probably shut my door.
I don't like the winter. What the heck?
Ugh. I just came out of the shower, and this is not good. Wait, look at her. Hi, Rebecca.
No, not crying. My eyes crying and everything. It's not funny.
Say hi to the vlog.
No! No!
It's the top of her head, though.
Freaking hate you. Stop! It's not funny.
It's really funny. Look at all the snow on her head.
You know what? I should smack you with this boot.
Nah, I'm good.
Oh, my sock, bro. It's not funny. It's really
pretty
sad.
hilarious.
It's cold outside.
Do I care?
I should have just stayed home.
Yeah, me too. Oh, wait.
Guys, we're on You Now right now. Come watch us. We might do some truth or dares.
Go watch
shoot. Okay, we're actually... Giselia!
Hi.
Shut up! We're actually live now. That's my ball head.
Wasn't that cool?
What's 4 is history, 5 is English, 6 is health.
Look at her, she can count. You chill.